Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see 2D drawing along with the ISO view. First I will create this base. The base dimension is 100 by 110 pitch. You can see here diameter 30 on the two circles. And also here there is a one circular part, diameter 70 mm. Thickness of the base is 7 and thickness of the circular part is 10 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select here extruded boss, select the top plane, create two circles first. Give the dimension 30 and the pitch is 110. This is 55. Select here two circles, give the equal constraint and also give the horizontal constraint here. Create one more circle here, give the dimension and here to here 100 mm. Give the vertical alignment. Create line here. Give the vertical constraint both sides. And also here there is a circle that we can give dimension up to 10 mm. Trim entities, trim these circles. Next there is a fillets. There is no fillets. Finish sketch. Select this surface, give the dimension only 7 mm. Next select the same sketch, extrude, select the circular pad, give the dimension up to 10 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, diameter 30. Okay. The height is 95 mm. And also inside there is a circle, we can create that now also. The diameter is 18 mm. Finish sketch. extrude 95 minus 7. Next there is a both side rib. For that we need to take on plane, I think. No need to take plane, it is on the center. Sketch, create one line, just give the dimension here to here, dimension is 45 mm. Finish sketch, select here rib command, reverse the direction. Next the thickness of the rib is 8 mm. Okay, we need to extend little bit line here. Go to edit sketch, just extend this line little bit. Finish sketch. Now select the sketch and give the rib command, reverse the direction, thickness is 8 mm. Okay, Control 7. We can mirror this rib, mirror about center plane, select here right plane. Okay, next here there is a circular part on this surface, diameter 44, height is 33 mm. The surface sketch, take the midpoint, give the dimension 44 mm. Finish sketch, extrude 33 minus 10 mm, 23 mm. Next here there is a one part, we can take the plane here, reference through front plane, give the dimension here 100 mm. Next select the plane, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimension is 20 mm. And 10 mm, here to here 20. The circle is 20. Next create one circle again, diameter 10 mm. Give the vertical alignment here, create line like this, trim the unwanted lines here. Okay, next select extrude here, the dimension is 27 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimension, dia 30 mm. Finish, extruded cut. Here select up to surface, select this surface. Okay. Next, there is a one rib. The rib dimension is, thickness of the rib is 8 mm and height is 52 mm. For that, select here right plane, sketch, create one line, give the dimension 52 mm. Finish sketch, select the rib command, reverse the direction, thickness is 8 mm. Okay. So we can hide this plane. That's it, friends. So we can assign the material here. So in the steel we can assign as per your requirements. So I will go with stainless steel, apply. Go to edit appearances, assign some different polishes color here, and also we can change the inside whole circle colors. So first remove this part, select faces here, select the inside faces. Like this we can change the color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.